If you struggle to bench press the bar, don't you worry. I'm going to show you a few simple exercises that can improve your upper body pressing strength to allow you to finally bench press the bar in no time. The first exercise I'd recommend is a dumbbell bench press. You're simply going to grab a pair of light dumbbells that you can do for multiple repetitions with and even start at the bottom without any spot and simply press them up overhead. You can switch around the grip to find out which one's easier for you. I usually recommend about a 45-degree angle grip, but a neutral grip is easier on your shoulders. Keep those elbows kind of tucked to your sides, and then once you get stronger, you can flare them a tiny bit. Try not to go too far because that can put some undue stress on your shoulders and cause you some pain. Get strong at that exercise if you have those dumbbells. That will be one of your best bets to get better bench pressing strength. In addition to that, what you can do is work on a body weight variation with the bench. So you can actually put your hands on the bench like so, gently go down. This is an elevated push-up, and it's still going to work the same exact muscles that doing a bench press with a bar would do. If that's too hard, you can go on your knees, make it a little bit easier even so. Just another variation, again, practicing that pressing upper body movement, which is what you use in the bench press. Last but not least is a banded bench press. You can also do this with a cable at the gym. Basically what you're going to do is grab that cable or band, have it about at your chest like you would if you were bench pressing at the bottom. Press straight back, straight back. You could technically get your body in here and do kind of like a push like this. I kind of like it though, single arm, because you can really focus on that pressing pattern, and it really helps if you have any muscle imbalances. 3 great exercises. You can do all of them, you can do one of them. Doing them over time will get you enough strength to bench press the bar.